Hey, what's up guys? This is Rusty from Interiors Airsoft, and I picked up a couple things at Dick's Sporting Goods today. And I wanted to show you, I got some zombie targets. There's 25 or 20 in these packet. Got a zombie clown, some zombies, more zombies, and a magician zombie with a dead rabbit. I'll shoot those later. And what's really cool is I got some paint splat airsoft pellets. When the BBs hit the target, they splat and leave a paint. I haven't tried them out yet, but got 2200 count. There's this zombie serum, which is really cool, and the zombie antidote one, which is in a pill bottle. Really, it's a public service announcement. If you see anyone looking like the image below, keep your distance and administer this antidote with extreme vengeance. So, Center for Resistance. Instructions, mysteries. Coating transfers to the target on impact, leaving a small bright mark to confirm hits. These are .20s. So, got 4,400 of these and some targets. I'll tell you how they are and how they work sometime. Please like, comment, and subscribe and watch our other videos. Oh, and like our Facebook page. That would help a lot. Thanks. Talk to you guys later.